This is Art Devlin at Lake Placid, New York, where a 67 Ford is just about ready to take off on this 40-meter Olympic ski jump. Watch. We want you to see just how strong, how quiet this Ford really is. This Ford is built to take it. It's the strongest Ford we've ever built. Jake, that was terrific. How was the Ford?
Real strong.
It sure looks great. Think you can do it again?
Why not? We'll try.
Okay. Now let's see if the Ford is still quiet. Still quiet. The 67 Ford, quieter because it's stronger. Stronger because it's better built.